We're halfway there.
Are we defending or we're attacking? There it is. Ryan, Zarya, Doom, Brigitte, Mora,
We'd
Lucio.
have to win 4 more before you lose 3.
Ryan Zarya, what, Brigitte?
Doomfist, Brigitte, Mora, Lucio.
Oh my, who plays the Doom?
Not a Doom. I can tell you that.
Did you say Doomfist?
Yeah, but it's
What?
Brigitte too.
Do we
Wait,
put a
bro.
Zarya?
Hundo goes
hell
Brigitte.
yeah,
Hundo
hell
goes
Yeah,
Brigitte.
do we put a duo on Zarya and then
Yeah.
Hundo on Brigitte?
Hundo's gonna be like, I want to kill
Oh my god,
myself.
you're not playing fucking Brigitte.
Whoa.
So do we how do we play? Do we rotate to the right side if they're playing high ground and then we just clap them with
Frosty
Doomfist?
said
Yeah,
definitely
we go.
fucking-
We definitely go through right side with Brigitte. You just have to.
Assuming
I legit don't know any rollouts on this map though, so it feels bad.
That's alright.
Toxic.
I think we just flank around you.
I'm just gonna
I
play
do.
with you guys, honestly.
Hold
I'm
on,
just
I
gonna
need
punch
to
bot.
tell a dude something real quick. This diva is really good about knowing when to matrix you when you want to grab. How you want to play this is you want to play LOS, get close to them. She'll start DMing you, break LOS with her, and shoot it into a corner. So the
We can also just stun Diva.
yeah, I'll try to
I'm
stun
just
her
gonna
when
punch the shit out of her, bro.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be.
Yeah,
she's
punch bot
really
Doomfist
good.
here.
She is really good.
Straight up,
Be careful.
Renok, I'm gonna play with you, and I'm just gonna be punch bot.
So let's
I'm
just go
gonna
main.
constantly spam it.
Don't go through
Go
Viking.
main, yeah,
Just go
go
main,
main.
and then we're going
Main
right
and
side
wrap.
after. I'm holding amp for the wrap, I guess.
Go up
Right?
right
Yeah.
stairs, I guess. Which way are we going? Which stairs?
Right,
We're going-
these stairs. Those stairs, right there, that way.
Oh wait, wait.
5,
Follow me.
Follow Reinhardt.
3,
All of the Renok.
1.
Follow the big burly German man.
Shields up.
Defend
right,
Go.
objective
Shit team.
Heads up, 7 up.
All right. They're playing back.
Careful,
Widow.
Widow. I'm poisoned.
Widow high. Alright, rotate. Go. Go through there.
Right.
Alright, keep going.
Big loop.
Big loop. Rotate. They're playing a
No
Winston.
leaks. Don't show. No leaks.
They're leaks.
No leaks.
They
Because
can
they're
already
up.
see our comp.
Go.
Speeding us now?
Left side. We'll go high ground.
Oh, now it's a leak.
Hey, what is the
Alright.
hook? What is the hook?
Yeah,
I think we just take site before. Yeah,
Take side.
Don't
Sure
let
behind
the
us.
nice.
we whooped his ass, bro.
Get his ass eaten, bro. Get
Diva.
the fuck outta here.
You
can't
have.
This is rushing.
I'm low. I have no shield.
You're 40. You're
No shield, I meant. Monkey jump.
Baby Diva.
Monkey vibe.
Lucky
Monkey
punch.
Monkey
Lucky one dead.
Blocking Diva.
Get out of here! Get him out of
Widow,
here!
get the back Widow on point. Widow on
Get him
point.
out!
There's so much stun in this comp, bro. What is this?
So good, dude.
Yo,
It's
One
Widowmaker.
second point, 1 second point.
Widowmaker.
Moira Carpage. Moira Carpage. Confirmed.
Set up what?
Widowmaker instead of Doom. Just play Doom until we can stall Delta.
I'm on Widow Boys, let's go!
Oh, fuck.
Oh god, here we go.
No,
yeah,
no,
just
no,
ignore it
no,
for
no,
now.
no.
Keep the momentum.
Watch out! Don't eat that spam! Don't eat that spam! We can't. We don't have DM. We don't have DM.
Back
When
up.
we're done, just help me
Play
first.
stay point until we need to take
Yeah,
back.
fuck them, dude. Make
They
them
have
engage
triple
on
tank.
us.
They have
I'm gonna
triple
go in hard, I have ult.
tank.
okay? I'm
Stay
gonna go in super
Doom.
hard.
Stay Doom. They have triple tank. Widow's not gonna be that effective.
Yeah.
Diva on turret. Ryan's done. I got boobs.
So did I.
Nice, Charlie. Diva out of mech.
Come back.
I'm
to
trapped.
us.
I'm trapped. Shield up.
Half shield. Quarter shield. Ryan.
No, idiot! Get in the corner.
Ryan. He's dead. Push him. Who's on point?
Lucio Carr, Lucio Carr.
Lucio.
Kill Lucio.
Sorry, low.
I'm hold on. Back up.
With you, Hundo.
Back up.
Bro,
I'm not there.
we're playing Feed Fist.
I'm here.
This is the whole point of this comp, is the feed is
Yeah,
local
it's okay.
comp.
It's okay.
Back. I'm back
Alright, I
here.
have grab here. You guys want to cleave it? You guys
Oh,
want to cleave
shield.
it?
Yeah, I
They
can
swap
shoot.
it
Yeah,
up. They
you
swap
need
it up.
shoot it into the corner. Shoot it to the corner.
Go
Hold
into
to
the
the
rocks.
rock.
Into the rocks.
Got it. Funny.
Nice. Cleaving. I got booped out of it.
Big!
Moira?
Alright. Mora.
What's next comp recurve? Run up.
It doesn't matter. We rolled this. We just
Yeah,
rolled
keep
this.
going,
We
keep
have
going,
to
keep
The
win.
fist, boys. The fist is the key.
Keep
I'm
going with Doom until we get stalled and then go to jump.
The fist is the key, Jesus.
I have Shatter. They're gonna have ults. Mostly, they're probably gonna have Shatter and grab.
Punch bot Doomfist is best Doomfist.
Alright.
Yo, get ready. You better grab.
Getting us out?
Oh, that feels bad.
I tried to block. Might be one of them. He pinned me. Oh,
I'm
nice.
gonna stay Doom for one more.
Oh, he shattered.
We're done.
That's a lot of
Lost
ults,
play
Mikey.
anyway.
You're right.
That's a lot of ults.
Do you have?
If we lived, I would have stayed.
I feel like the beat was worth
Hundo, I think we saved Rally there because we still had Rally armor. So
I
we
did
weren't
it
getting
before she
value.
grabbed.
It's
I
alright,
did as soon as I hit it. She
it's okay.
Even
grabbed.
so, but like going into that fight, we
Let's
still
fight.
had Rally armor.
Okay. They have
Alright, let's
Colt,
go.
they have Beat, they have Diva Bomb.
Yep, they have nothing else, so they use Shatter. They use both big tank ults, so.
Check your corners. Hold on. I'm looking. No, we're good. We're good.
Pushing up. Make this already use ally shield. I'm blocking, I'm blocking.
I trust
Okay, it's
you.
fine. It's fine.
Back out,
You
get out,
back-
get out.
I was
Don't
trying to
get
back up
out.
everyone.
Everybody
Back
needs to charge out, you bubble out with everyone.
up. Loudy. Yeah, this is the bait, this is the bait. Hit him into the spawn.
Yo, so be careful. Sorry, she's high charge as fuck. She can right click.
Alright. I think they're backing up.
You're gonna have grab again, to
Alright.
be honest.
Yeah.
I'm gonna call in.
Pushing.
Call for speed.
Yeah.
Okay, cool,
Get
find
Zarya
me.
to use her ally bubble. Then we can stun her. Oh, there's higher
Behind,
turret.
behind.
Oh, fuck.
That's a lot of ult. That's a lot of ult.
That's both ults, tire. They should have
Still have
Shatter.
But we
Shatter
want to
beat.
speed. We want to do a speed shatter through. Okay, so call
Yep.
for.
They're gonna have Shatter, which we need to stun their Ryan too. Otherwise he's gonna
I want
counter
that
Shatter
goal,
you.
yeah.
Bro, this isn't a do tire moment. I haven't gotten tire in fucking forever.
Alright. Recharging
Hey,
shield.
shut it.
Alright, push.
Group up, group up, group up.
Zarya's I'm in a trap, I'm in a
Alright,
trap.
beating spam. They have fire
Yo,
again.
recharge shield. Recharge shield. Don't do
I
anything
can
stupid.
tire this. I'm gonna wait. No, I do.
Wait, wait, wait.
Tell me when to put it out. Tell me when to put it out. Okay, I do.
There's a
Call
trap.
for speed amp.
Put it up, put it up, put it up.
It's out. It's out.
Nice. Good eat.
It got
Kidding,
fucked.
kidding.
Oh my god.
Oh, fuck.
Moira's
I'm
Moira
blocking.
pushed
No
me
shield,
hard.
no shield.
Moira's one. Moira's one.
They
They beat it.
Ryan charged. Can you run? I have no shield again.
I'm pulling, I'm
Hitting
pulling.
Shatter. Oh, I missed
What?
Still calling, we
jump.
have one. He's
it.
going.
No.
No, we're winnable.
It's straight.
Lucio.
Diva 1, Diva 1,
Center
Diva 1,
point.
Diva 1.
Block Shatter. Ryan.
Lucia's still half.
I have no shield. He fucked up,
We're
man.
winning.
I have no shield. Careful. Ryan. Kill Ryan. Nice. Lucio now. Lucio 1. Dead.
Dude,
Push.
I
on
played
head.
so well. It's fucking
Good job,
good.
guys.
I have another goal coming up.
Alright. Pushing. I almost have Shatter again.
Yo, I'm not up there. Don't try to spam.
Yeah, we're good. We're not taking it. Zarya no self.
Okay, but
Take
you
his
can
spam. I'm
grab-
like
Backing up a little bit.
They're gonna have code.
I have
I
tire.
Shatter. They have no
All right, I'll
Shatter.
stun him. Ready? I'm going.
Yeah, yeah.
3, 2, 1.
You're just pin Ryan. Yeah, I have no shield for that though.
I'm good.
Ryan dead. Jumps on me.
Careful, bro. You're separated from us.
Diva.
got Lucio.
Zarya caught out.
Zarya,
Zarya. Sick co.
Junk's on point. Help. Junk is killing me.
Junk. Tire. I killed it.
Nice.
Watch out for Shatter.
Junk.
Oh shit. Yeah. They shattered.
We need to call a position there, Hundo. I didn't know.
I don't know where he was either.
He was at the very far back.
They grab, they
On the
fire.
right side, yeah.
I think they called. Did they call?
grab? They did grab.
No, they grabbed. They definitely
You're
got.
trying to suck my dick. Please help me.
Did they call?
Yeah, they code.
Did they beat?
They
No.
no,
Okay,
they
all
grabbed
they
Shatter Cole.
We
They're
need
tired.
more ults. We have no ults.
I'm 70 on Shatter.
Diva's about to bomb his fuck out of us.
Yeah. I'm saving. Ryan. Pressure Ryan.
We're
Pressure
split.
Ryan.
We're
Let's
split.
go!
Ryan. Pressure.
They beat
They
it.
beat.
You got no shield.
Nice move.
Ryan.
Ryan, left side.
60 seconds remaining.
He's off
He's
the
dead,
map.
he's dead,
Oh,
he's dead.
Shaman was off the map. Point.
Lucio won.
Nice
No,
push.
no, 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 take that-
I'm tiring this.
Zarya.
Sorry.
Push point. Keep pushing.
Diva left door. Diva left door. Diva.
Yeah, boom.
Yeah.
Bro.
4 golds, baby.
That is an incorrect stat, actually.
No, it is.
100%.
I have.
Alright, defense
Technical
first
goals.
point is Orisa, Diva, Widow, Brigitte, Mercy, Hog. And that's the same for second.
Wait, what is it?
What?
Orisa, Diva, Widow, Brigitte, Mercy, Roadhog.
Forget Mercy.
Brigitte, Mercy.
So what's the plan for this
Yeah.
time?
What?
Orisa, Diva, Brigitte.
Yeah, it's the same thing as Volskaya.
Damn, bruh.
Same
I
thing
wanted
as
to play
What
Doom
about
Fist
okay?
again.
So what about point 2 though? What about point 2?
Ryan, Diva, Junk, Brigitte, Mercy, Lucio.
Ryan, Diva, Brigitte,
Junk, Brigitte,
Junk.
Mercy, Lucio.
That's a lot of
Mercy,
slots. dude.
Lucio.
It's like a full
But
time slot.
point 1 and point 2 is the same. So
It's not Ryan Zarya. It's Ryan
Oh, that's
Zarya.
point 3. Okay.
point 3 is that's point 3 is Ryan, Diva,
Okay.
Junk, Brigitte.
Point 2 is this again?
Point 2 is this, still this.
Okay.
You just probably turtle high ground and like get
Yeah,
your Widow's
probably.
light lens and
That
just
makes
spam all good and stuff.
The top left tiger and
My Brigitte is fucking retarded.
I just want to play Boom Fist again, dude.
Boom fist. Yeah,
You
maybe
played
we
top
should.
That was
maybe-
Poggers. That first point was Poggers, dude. I
Hey, did
came
we
in
fuck
and-
that Winston?
That Winston got destroyed.
That-
dude.
Killer wins.
I stunned him, pushed him, and then you
High
hit him
ground.
He got
back to
stunned,
me.
eat,
High ground,
uppercut
boys.
into punch.
Yeah, don't we?
High ground.
Hey, hey.
Play high ground.
Yeah.
Over there?
Do we play? Yeah, play high ground first, and then I'm gonna rotate to this corner. Corner right here. This corner is gonna be where I rotate to.
Or you they just
Oh, this corner.
ambulance us. Like from the left.
Oh.
We did.
So is this a W
Wait,
comp?
does that not work anymore?
We haven't
Oh,
risked
yeah,
No,
it
it
doesn't. It doesn't. It's confirmed. They borked it. Don't even try. Just don't waste your time with it.
Are
Get
we
set up.
fucking quad tank? No, we're not. I thought we were quad tank for a second. What the
Tank.
fuck is happening right now?
Quad
Alright.
season.
Quad tank. With
Next shield is bottom left corner.
Oh, we got no defense ult too, so it's a field
Let me-
match.
We have. That's Riley. That's what Riley's for.
Gave a winner.
Widowmaker. She's a main
Big
between
bot, though.
Reinhardt, Zarya.
All right.
What? Oh, I hit her. That's so BS.
Don't play too aggressive.
I'll
No
shoot
rest.
your ass.
Play it behind the shield. All right.
Okay,
Rotating corner.
come out your
Rotating
post, come out
corner.
your
Rotate corner. Rotate corner. Rotate corner.
Fall back. Fall back.
Wow, watch out for the Ryan pin.
Range for
First
pull.
shield. I got stunned.
We're no top left. We're no top
Pull
left. Be
Pull all of
careful.
them together. No shield. No shield. Next shield in one. Down. Keep on
His
me,
Ryan's
keep on
shield's broken. Ryan's shield's broken.
me. Yeah, push,
I got
push,
Bridget.
push.
Zarya won.
I'm stalling playing. I'm pulling. Full three. Full
Whatever.
three.
Widow's still pop.
he's dead, he's
Right,
dead.
no, 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 no.
Did he
W.
shatter? I think he
No, no,
shattered.
no, no. He's dead. He's dead.
Still,
Pulling,
still
pulling,
Lucy,
pulling.
Lucy.
Pull, pull, pull,
Mercy
pull.
one.
Mercy,
Mercy
mercy.
one.
Oh, what the fuck? Mercy.
Bye.
Flying off.
Zen's in main
Riley.
one. Good shot.
Mercy,
Shot.
bro.
He did.
I'm pretty sure he shattered.
That's
I
a
don't think
quick
he did.
rally right there.
Did they shatter?
Yeah.
Wait,
Nope.
what?
I don't know. I'm still
stunned
playing
him.
corner.
I thought I heard a
I think we
voice.
start off high ground. Start off high ground. Reset perfectly.
I don't have shield. Shield him too.
Got her.
Reset. Come on.
They're gonna res. They're gonna res.
Reset.
Shield down.
They're shielding the res right
Slightly
now.
better angle. You're not in your.
Yeah, play behind
playing in
shield.
Play behind the shield, dude.
Dude, you're in the middle of the shield.
There you go. There you go.
I have to see.
I know, dude.
I'm pulling
But
above
You
it.
gotta see? Okay.
Hold above.
Oh, I can't reach.
Right.
Rotate,
Oh,
rotate.
right.
oh, Rika fell.
What the fuck
Widow
happened?
left, widow top, widow left, widow left side, widow left side.
Okay.
Pulling,
Hold on,
pulling in
hold
three. No, she's getting
I'm
out.
rallying this.
What the?
Alright, ready?
Play together.
Pulling,
Got
pulling
one.
in 3, 2, 1.
We're no top left. We're no top left. Be
Pull
careful.
together.
We're no top left.
Stun him!
Oh,
Ryan, no, 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 he can die, he can die, he can die.
Mine's one.
run.
Ryan won. Ryan won.
I got you!
I'm playing back.
Hey,
Yo,
oh.
Zarya. Pull together, pull together. Shield down, shield down.
Oh,
Nice.
then.
Keep me up. Keep me up. Keep me up.
I have
Everyone,
Bongo.
dude, it's just
Don't wait
me.
for get
Left
heals.
side. Widow,
No
widow
heals.
top left.
Somebody come back
No
and peek me.
heals.
Somebody come back and peek me.
You might have to pop Valk, dude.
Adu has 400 HP.
They're top left.
I can't.
Sorry's on
Oh,
your right,
I'm
dude.
gonna die. I'm dead.
We have a shield up for res.
Do it.
Go ahead.
I have Bongo too.
You're only down me right now.
Oh no, boys.
Shield down middle
Yeah,
point.
get play in the corner. Play in
Ready?
the
I'm
corner.
gonna Bongo. I'm gonna Bongo and then
I
pull.
know,
Push
I
it.
know.
Wait.
Hold
I
on,
know.
hold on. Alright, tell me when you have hook. Okay, now you don't have it.
I'm gonna
Wait,
stun him around this corner, okay?
tell me when you have hook.
Okay.
Alright, Bongo. Pulling.
I got.
Hold up. Deep, no. Burn through him. He's gonna have shatter. Nice.
They're gonna grab after the ball go in. Careful.
I got one.
Pulling.
Widow's high left.
Yeah. No shield.
You're resing Ryan.
Forget.
Is it
Dead.
dead?
We're no top left. We're no
Widow
top left.
top left.
Oh, I can't fuck with her. I'll grab
I'm
her
gonna
in
pull her,
a second.
pulling her.
Alright.
Pulled. Oh, she got out. What the fuck?
No, I'm on her. She's one.
Back
She's
up,
one.
back up.
Come on,
You
fuck,
got it.
fuck.
No, he pulled Zen.
Zen. Oh, he survived.
Zen one. I need help.
I'm spamming him.
Back up.
What else do we have? We have
Play that
Rally.
corner.
Rally, dog.
We play corner. We don't have time to.
They're gonna have shatter.
We have time for
So-
reset.
No. Play the corner. Don't get up there.
Play the
Don't get up there. They have
corner. Play the
grabs.
corner.
Don't do that.
Widow top left.
Can you adjust the shield so it's more evenly?
Pull back. Yeah, chill down. They're gonna try to shatter this. Where's your shield? No shield.
I'm stunned.
I'm dead. I pushed. I pulled out of it. I'm stalling point. I'm gonna die
I
here.
gave you all armor, but that's all.
Yeah.
No, also.
Mercy one.
Same.
Mercy one.
Mercy, everyone's dead. Just throw yourself on the point. Try to get grid spawns.
Point 2 comp is the same, so we keep
Same. Yep. Keep. Play aggro high ground.
We definitely, we play high ground, we control it. That's how we play this. Careful, recurve. The Widow's gonna be up.
Don't get picked by turret. Go through the other one. Yeah, Zen's up here. Do you have hook? You have to
Pilot,
wait.
you need
Wait
to wait
for
for
me
the
to
hook,
pull.
dude.
Wait for me to pull.
He doesn't play hog. Chill. It's fine.
Yeah.
I know, but still, like I've been calling for it. I need heals.
I'm sorry.
Alright. Try to not play in front of the shield if you're like in the shield if you're attacking.
I see just a fat Brigitte booty in front of my face.
What do I do? I don't know where to fucking play because I don't.
I think
Alright,
we're
alright.
playing this wrong. We should have taken a fight already.
No, play aggro. Hey, next shield over here. Follow me.
Ow, oh, we're flanked. She's bottom, behind. She's behind. She's behind.
I'm on her. I'm on her.
Got me. Yeah.
Back up. Play for last point. Shield down.
Back up, Hundo.
Bursting shield. Ready? Pulling in 3, 2, 1. They rallied.
I can't.
They're
Widow
gonna
one.
shatter. They have shatter.
Rondo.
I'm waiting for it. Pull them back.
Ryan hook.
Oh, right. No. Burn. Oh, he's gonna shatter. Yeah, there it is.
They're gonna grab us right here.
I blocked it. Blocked pin. I'm
What the
setting a point. Forget. No. Alright, swap.
What do we swap to?
I'm going
Ryan Diva's
Lucio. I
got
just
forget.
used it up.
Why'd you res me?
Wait, what is it? Ryan what?
You're
Ryan
playing
Diva,
Mercy.
Junk, forget
You're
Mercy,
playing
Lucio.
Mercy.
Ryan, Junk, Brigitte.
Oh, I
Diva.
got bad spawn.
You're playing Mercy.
I got bad spawn.
Yeah.
I'm speeding you out. We need to swap you right now.
I know.
Pushing. Alright.
We can do this. It's winnable.
You're right. I shouldn't have res you. My bad on that.
Oh shit. Zen's pushed up.
Ow.
We're not
Alex.
6. We're not 6. Do not poke.
I am backing up.
Where the fuck did he kill you from?
Oh, well.
What point of not peeking?
We're not.
He was walking straight. And
I don't even know where the fuck she
By
is.
the way.
He's in front of us. You gotta shield up.
Alright.
Dude. Alright, are you good? Come on back. Yeah, no, come on back. I was just...
Okay. Push in. Watch out for. I got booped. Forget. I got grabbed. I'm pinned out. I'm dead.
someone stuck in my trap.
No, it's forget.
I forget. Die. Oh, come, stall. I have shatter coming back. Just throw yourself on point. Then if everyone's alive.
I'm dead. Go, Ultra, go.
Unfortunate side. What the fuck?
I mean, their widow was like pushed up. Like I'm walking out of spawn. There's no way I can know she's there. We have to have call out.
Well, we didn't need to peek in the first place until we had 6. It's just like the point 2 where we can't.
It's not even. I'm walking out.
I
of
know.
call-out.
The second one was just.
Oh wait, scrim's already over. What the hell?
It's been 2 hours.
So how was the Varus?